What is awareness? What is awareness? What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What is gangstalking? What is targeted in? What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What is the correlation? What is the coordinates? What is the disparity? Is there a dichotomy between awareness, awakening, and enlightenment? Or are they like a chain tandem of sequential events that occur in different order? Which precedes the other? Does awareness precedes awakening? Does awakening precedes enlightenment? What is awareness? What is awakening? What is enlightenment? What causes a person to become aware? What is aware? What is awareness? What is awake? What is awakening? What you are awakening to? What you are awakening to? What you are becoming enlightened to? What you are awake to? Awakening, awareness, and enlightenment. They are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. The only correlation they share is the fact that all of these